Kurma, which means a turtle in Sanskrit. As per Hindu mythology, Kurma is the second avatar of Lord Vishnu. It is said that Lord Vishnu incarnated as a turtle for a special event, well known as the Samudra Manthan, the churning of the ocean. The purpose of the Samudra Manthan was to make the gods stronger than the demons by consuming the Amrit, believed as the drink to immortality. The gods won the war and eventually the Amrit. And so, peace was established on heaven and earth. Therefore, it is believed that the turtle god has been the savior of humanity. And it is for this reason it also enjoys a special place in the Hindu culture. Turtle is also considered as auspicious and is believed to be a sign of good health and prosperity. And therefore, many people also wear the very popular turtle ring and worship it as the giver of life. Unfortunately, this humble turtle, who has been the savior of humanity, is now under the threat of mass extinction, ironically to the very humans who worshipped it as God. In the turtle group especially, the skin of olive ridley turtle is in huge demand in the commercial world and therefore it is under serious danger. The olive ridley turtle gets its name from its olive-colored upper shell. This turtle has been a regular visitor of the coastline of southern India. They visit the eastern coast as a nesting ground to lay their eggs. These olive ridley turtles have a remarkable characteristic. It always swims back to where it was born to lay its eggs. The emerging hatchling, also known as the baby turtle, continues this incredible migratory tradition when it grows up. Nesting of the olive ridley turtle is a regular occurrence on the coasts of Orissa, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. But unfortunately, these turtles and their eggs get savaged by people, stray dogs and crows. Also, a large number of turtles die in the process of reaching the coastline, and their reason for death is largely due to unnatural causes of colliding with fishing boats and at times getting entangled in the fishing nets. The plastic garbage littering on the beaches also becomes a major threat to the lives of the turtles, as many of them die by choking. While the life of the so-called Lord Kurma was under threat since so many years, it has now been fortunate as a savior has emerged, waiting for the Lord Kurma's arrival at the beach for its rescue and care. Dr. Supraja Dharini from Tamil Nadu is an artist by profession. Dharini liked nature in its pure form and relishes the beauty of its creation. Being gifted with a creative mind, Dharini liked to stroll on the nearby beach for fresh air. In the November of 2001, Dharini happened to watch a National Geographic documentary on the world-famous environmentalist Dr. Jane Goodall, in which she said that each and every individual can make a difference to the environment. If everyone does their part by making a small contribution, a lot of change can be witnessed. These words kept reverberating in Dharini's mind. One evening, while walking on the Periya Nilankarai beach, Dharini happened to discover a dead turtle on the shore. But the cause of death was not natural, as it had a lot of cuts from sharp wires. On inquiring with the fishermen in the locality, Dharini found that it was a very normal sight to spot these dead turtles, especially between December and April, their nesting season. The sight of the dead turtle left Dharini disturbed for a few days. Also, Dr. Goodall's words kept hovering on her mind, and that is when Dharini decided to do something for the turtles. She started researching about the turtles very soon. She formed a small team of young and enthusiastic fishermen from the Nilankarai fishing hamlet and visited the nearby villages, creating awareness on protecting the health of the ocean. She also took help of an expert who demonstrated how turtles create prime areas in the ocean floor for the fish to breed, which in actual is the source of livelihood of the fishermen community. Once the fishermen became aware about the benefits of protecting the turtles, Dharini then recruited large number of youngsters and trained them on how to identify places where turtles laid eggs, to gently collecting these eggs and placing them in easily built safe enclosures, to guard them during their 48-day gestation period, and finally to safely lead the emerging hatchlings into the sea. By the October of 2002, Dharini founded the Tree Foundation, which is the Trust for Environment, Education, Conservation and Community Development, which has been instrumental in attracting large number of youths and ocean enthusiasts in contributing to the noble cause of saving the turtles. The Tree Foundation has launched regular awareness programs and cleanup drives, not only involving the fishermen, but a huge group of college students and IT professionals together to conserve turtles, as well as help in bringing a change in the attitude of the local community towards other marine creatures. The foundation even sets up small camps and medical facilities to help the injured turtles to recover and begin their journey back into the sea. Since its inception over 15 years, the Tree Foundation has grown huge and now patrols over 700 kilometers of the East Indian coastline in 3 states, employing more than over 300 Sea Turtle Protection Force members to protect the nesting turtles and their eggs. Till date, the teams have safely released more than 15 lakh baby olive ridley turtles into the sea. Not so soon, but Dharini's efforts have been recognized by various ocean-loving communities. She was conferred the Whiteley Associate Award for 2009 and 10, the Disney Worldwide Conservation Award, the SeaWorld, the Busch Garden Conservation Award, and the People's Trust for Endangered Species Award. The story of Dr. Supraja Dharini is not different from a small young girl who saves one starfish lying on the beach and creates a difference in its life. Genius is not a skill. Genius is rather an inner feeling, a peace in one's heart that craves to create a difference in life of self and countless others. That one walk on the beach has awakened the genius within Dr. Supraja Dharini. During that walk, Dharini took a decision to save Lord Kurma every time it visits the beaches of India with their blessings of peace and prosperity in real sense. And look at the result. We now look at the marvel that she has created by giving back so much to the ocean what it actually deserves. We thank you for watching the video and wish you good luck. Please do share your comments and subscribe to our channel. And we shall soon be back with yet another story in our program Awakening the Genius Within You.